Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I will share with you my $1 million ravioli casserole recipe. As you can see here, I have the ingredients sitting here right in front of you on my counter, and I'm going to walk you through all of the things that you would need to make this casserole. And guys, it is delicious. When I say it's good, it is good. I can agree with the $1 million, okay? It is so good and your family will enjoy this. Now, the ingredients that you will need is a pack, 1 pound of Italian sausage. You will need a jar of spaghetti sauce. You will also need some cottage cheese. You will need cream cheese also, and sour cream. You will need garlic powder and parsley, a bag of frozen ravioli, and some mozzarella shredded cheese. Now the recipe will be in my description box down below. Guys, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350. And while my oven is preheating, I'm going to start browning my Italian sausage. This is smelling good already. And I did off camera season my Italian sausage with just a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. Now after you brown your meat, drain it and add your spaghetti sauce. Then just let this simmer while you prepare the ravioli. Now we're going to make the $1 million part. We're going to add these ingredients together. The cottage cheese. The sour cream, garlic salt, the parsley, and the cream cheese. And once you get all of these ingredients in your bowl, you mix them very well. Now guys, you will take your ravioli. You will need a big mixing bowl for this, and you pour these raviolis into this bowl, and you're going to stir it together. And it will look like this. Then you will place it in a greased casserole pan, like so. And on top, you will add your Italian and spaghetti sauce mixture. Now at this point, I had a little more spaghetti sauce and I added it to it. All right. You spread this all around. It smells delicious already. And then I decided to add some Italian seasoning for more taste there. And I just sprinkled that on top. You can add more salt and pepper to taste if you want, but I didn't. And then on top, you just add your mozzarella cheese. You can add as much. If you love cheese, you can add as much or as little as you want. But I went heavy because I love cheese and my family loves cheese. Now, how does this look to you so far? Now, if you want to, you can add the parsley on top of this as well. Or you can add it at the end. It's entirely up to you. But you will place this in the oven for 45 minutes. Then remove it and let it cool for up to 15 minutes. And this is how it looks. It is heavenly, guys. It was so good. My family was like, you need to make this again, and I will. The name fits this recipe, and I served it with garlic bread and a salad, which made it a perfect dinner. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, tell me what you think about it, all right? Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that button and showing me some love. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.